Hello YouTubers, welcome back to NetSec channel. This is Johnny. Today's topic is going to be Palo Alto User-ID agent installation. It's actually a video for my post Palo Alto User-ID agent configuration steps. So basically, my environment, I have Palo Alto firewall. I have a domain controller with all users' accounts. So we already set up a user ID server. We just need to install user ID agent client on this server and let Palo Alto talk to this server, and this server gonna query users and mapping the users and sending the list to the Palo Alto firewall. Palo Alto has a nice documentation about this as well as the agent. So we're gonna quickly to do this job, and then I'm gonna show you what kind of steps need to be done. It's not that hard, but it do have some tricks here. The first thing, of course, you need to have dedicated service account for your user ID agent. I'm assuming you already have that one, then you can start with that. So let's beginning with client. So this is agent I already downloaded, so put on this user ID server. So what you can do is just double click and next you can finish sorry. Yeah, just a couple steps. Done. I already installed it. I just did a quick repair. So this is software here, so we can run. You need to make sure run it as administrator. That's very important. Lots of people just double click but not run it as administrator, then you get a problem later on. Right now this is now set up, so also nothing there. First thing, let's go back to the installing steps. So we finished creating the user account. Need to add this user account to event log reader group. Don't forget that. Once you did that, then you need to assign this local policy user right assignment. So we already created Palo Alto user ID account. So let me do these steps. On that server, not domain controller server, just local. This done chat one line, edit. You need to add an account into configuration Windows settings. To security settings, local policy, user right assignment. Here is the log on as a service. Basically, the add a user here. And to the ID name. Okay. Add it in. First step. Second step, we're gonna go into the service. We need to start this service from this account, right? So we're gonna go to user ID agent and stop. Because right now we are logged on as a local system account. We need this Palo Alto user account. So from there, and then type the password. So make sure you type it correctly. You can copy paste. But if you're comfortable, you can just type it. Again. Make sure you type it correct. Okay, now start. If everything goes well, we type like the username password and start this service without problem. Now we are starting this service using this service account. The next step, you need to find out all of your domain controllers. If your list server is in AD, then you can just quickly auto-discover it. Find all servers. Beautiful. All domain controller servers are listed. You don't have to manually add them in. Don't forget commit. Don't forget commit. Lots of time you just add the devices. You forgot to commit. They will not save it, right? So commit it. Now go into monitoring. Beautiful. All users, you will see it here. See, all users are mapping already. So let's go to the settings all the way down. You don't need to think about it. It's gonna be complicated. It's easy to use, easy to configure. I have done it by myself. You can do it by yourself as well. So just go ahead and try it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks.